cereal.
No way, we should totally go to Flapjacks.
What is that?
It is the best place I've ever been to. They sell amazing pancakes. They're so big and you just flip them onto your plate. It's amazing.
Oh my god, we have to go there because I'm tired of eating my dog food cereal.
Let's go now.
Alright, let's go. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning.
I'm so excited to have
I know, I love pancakes.
Me too. Would y'all like some pancakes?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
No problem. Hold on. Thanks. No problem. You just tell me how they are, okay?
Alright.
How are they?
I don't know yet. They're so good.
They are? They're fabulous.
Are they delicious?
Yes.
Good.
All right, you all enjoy. Okay.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, this is so much better than my cereal.
This is much better than Waffle House.
Oh, that makes me sick.
Me too.
Oh my god, there's a bug. Flapjacks. Flapjacks Pancake Grill is open 24/6. Only closed on Mondays, and it's on the corner of Eastern Parkway and Bardstown Road. Our pancakes are fly!